Hello friends, good morning. I am Chandan Mallik. You watch my YouTube channel. Welcome to my channel. Hope you are all well. I am also fine. Friends, today I am going to discuss with you a report writing titled Frontline Soldier, Doctors, Nurses and Medical Staff in 200 words from 12th December Karmasangsthan paper. And this report writing is very crucial for any competitive exam, especially state civil service examination, and it's very important for class 9, 10, 11, 12 examination. I request you to watch this video till end. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Now let's get started this topic. Report writing 12th December 2020 Karmasangsthan paper. Report writing. Write a report within 200 words on frontline soldiers, doctors, nurses and medical staff. Marks 25. Frontline soldiers, doctors, nurses and medical staff. By staff reporter, place A, 25th September. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres has described the coronavirus pandemic as the worst global crisis since World War II. And given that countries across the world are facing lockdowns and restrictions, this certainly feels like war. The frontline soldiers in the battle against COVID-19 are doctors, nurses and other medical staff, corona warriors at the vanguard of our battle against the pandemic, have a stupendous job at the hand. In hospitals, they are treating the patient, while outside they are screening possible COVID-19 cases, putting their lives on the line. A number of them already contracted the coronavirus. Across the world, many doctors and nurses have died combating the disease. COVID-19 is highly infectious, and thus to treat the patient, doctors and paramedical staff has to wear personal protective equipment or PPE, which comprises of protective clothing, goggles, gloves, etc. But this is in short supply, initially reported from various places across the country. The protective gears have to be discarded after one use. With staff shortage and short supply of PPEs, many doctors and nurses for now restoring to non-stop work for 10 to 12 hours. Many nurses and doctors have been complaining of fatigue, dehydration and headache due to the grueling schedule. Like other Chinese peers, in India too, the medical staff at the forefront of COVID-19 battle are avoiding water to reduce that bathroom break. Working in April in India is no cool affair. Temperatures in many parts of countries close to 40 degrees. Despite that, hospitals are switching off ACs and fans to prevent the spread of the virus. On top of that, the thick protective gear causes excessive sweating, leading to hyperhidrosis, ox in infection to doctors and nurses. Prime Minister Narendra Modi rightly reserved the highest praise for India's doctors, nurses, and other healthcare workers by calling them frontline soldiers. All of us need to realize that doctors and medical personnel are the ones holding the line against COVID-19. They need to be fully supported in this time of crisis. Friends, thank you for watching this video till end. Take care of your health. Be happy, be energetic throughout the whole day. Thank you. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.